Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix computer restart unexpectedly Windows 10 like this kind of message. So let's see how to fix this one. So first you need to modify the registry key. This is a definitive fix. So first you need to go to search bar, type CMD and make sure run it as administrator. And make sure when you see that pop-up message, do not close that one. That means do not tap on OK message, then it will be closed. So do not click on OK. Then you can open the command prompt by just go to search bar, or else you can press Shift and F10 on your keyboard. It will be open. So then after you need to launch the registry editor by typing regedit and hit enter. Okay, now you are in the registry editor. Okay, in here you need to go to the HK local machine, double tap on it, go to the system section, go to this, scroll down and setup, then go to status, then tiled completion. Okay, so then after you need to change the setup value, click on the child completion folder on the left side. Then after look at the right hand panel and look at the item named setup.txt. Then after double click on it, a small box will be appear. Change the value to 3 like this. If it has 1, you need to change it to 3. Then after tap on OK. Then after you need to close this registry editor and restart the computer. But if that change will be reason for the different boot loop, so you need to repair that one. To do that, you need to force restart your PC 3 times. Using the physical power button, then it will be trigger the blue advanced option menu. So you will see it like this. Then after you need to go to troubleshoot menu, go to advanced option. Then after you need to tap on startup repair. It will be automatically repair your computer using diagnosing. Once it is completed, your computer will be fixed. If doesn't work, you need to again come to the blue screen menu. In this time you need to go to the uninstall updates, then uninstall the latest quality update. So your issue will be fixed.